Hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate the type parameter export import feature with BIMrx. So I'm going to go to a 3D view and select all of the elements in my project and filter down to the light fixtures in the project. Once I have those, I'm going to go to the BIMrx command and select the extract tool. And once I have my dialog, I'm going to use the default settings and make sure I have my export type parameters selected. And I'm also going to deselect any parameter filters. Select my export location for my Excel file. I'm going to select the location where the file has been saved. And once I have my Excel file, I'm going to check what's been exported, or the type parameters tab. I'm going to use the Excel sorting feature to select the parameter that I want to update. Now here I have type marks for all of my lighting, but I want to update those based on how I want the tags to show up in Revit. Now once I have those updated, I'm going to go back to my parameter selection and choose my cost parameter because I want to update the cost for this lighting as well. Now once I have that updated, I'm going to save and close my file and go back to Revit and go to the update tool and select my Excel file. Now I can see that my lighting has been updated and it reflects in my tags that I've selected on my lights. Now I'm going to go to my lighting fixture schedule and see that my cost has been updated as well. This has been an overview of the type parameter export and import using BIMrx.